Okay, great. Good news. The plane is fixed.
Time to head to Australia to find my mom.
Let's not faff about then, mates. I mean, let's go.
Antonio, I thought you said the gas leak was fixed.
It is fixed. That's how we made it all the way here.
Then why have I been smelling airplane gas the whole ride?
My stomach may not have gotten on well with that spicy Sri Lankan food.
Ed! Okay, let's focus. My mom is here, and we need to go to an office of the Australian health system to find out which hospital she is in. Excuse me? I'm here checking on where my mom is. Her name is Tamika Carter. I was told that she is in a hospital here.
Kids, I would love to help you out. Unfortunately, our databases went down this morning after a cyber attack. All of our patients' records have been compromised, so we won't be able to provide any information at the moment.
Well, that's super convenient. Not.
What do you mean, cyber attack?
Last week, a nefarious group of cyber hackers got into our government health system records and ruined much of our data.
So there's no way for you to help us?
With the database in its current state, there's no reliable information for me to give you.
Well, what if we pay a visit to each of the hospitals, one by one, to check if V's mum is there?
Across the whole continent? That would take forever. There's got to be a better way.
She said she couldn't help us while the database is messed up, but what if we fixed it?
It's not like your aeroplane, Antonio. You can't just take it to a mechanic and weld some stuff together.
Actually, it kind of is like that.
Pardon?
Yeah, just like a mechanic, databases can be rebuilt, repaired, and restored. Maybe our tech team could help out.
See, Ed, I know what I'm talking about.
What do you think, ma'am? If we can help out with restoring the database, could you tell us where my mom is?
Forget that. If you manage to fix our database, we'll take you straight to her.
In order for V to find her mom, the Australian Department of Health database must be rebuilt, missing pieces of data restored, and a program developed to search for which hospital Tamika is in. Your task is to reconstruct the information in the compromised database, including information for all of the cities with hospitals in Australia. Then create a hospital locator program and use a clue to search for the hospital where V's mom is located.